Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. If you've been following the world of full-size body and frame SUVs, you know the players, the Everest, it's the Fortuner, and the Land Cruiser. But there's a new giant in town that's demanding a seat at the table. This is the all-new 2026 LDV D90. It's bigger, bolder, and for the first time ever, it has an interior that could give European luxury brands a run for their money. LDV is no longer just the value choice, they're aiming for the crown. Just look at the presence of this thing. The 2026 redesign ditches the modest look of the past for a massive vertical slat shield grille and high-mounted LED daytime running lights. It looks intimidating, especially in the new matte battleship gray finish. But the D90 isn't just about the tough guy aesthetic. Underneath that muscular hood, LDV has refined its 2.0-liter bi-turbo diesel engine, paired with a smooth ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. It produces a stout 215 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. While those might not be supercar numbers, the low-end grunt is perfect for what this car was built to do, towing up to 3.1 tons and crawling over rocks. The real shock and awe happens when you open the door. Forget everything you knew about LDV interiors. For 2026, the D90 adopts a triple-screen digital cockpit. You get a dedicated driver display, a massive central infotainment hub, and for the first time, a 12.3-inch passenger entertainment screen. It's wrapped in premium Nappa leather with actual curled metal switches. It feels less like a rugged off-roader and more like a private jet. And since this is a true 7-seater, even the adults in the third row get their own USB-C ports and climate vents. When the pavement ends, the D90 leans on its all-terrain system 2.0 with 10 different driving modes, including a rock mode that optimizes the electronic locking differentials, handles the rough stuff with surprising composure. The 2026 model also adds transparent chassis technology, using external cameras to let you see through the hood on the screen so you don't catch your oil pan on a hidden boulder. Starting at roughly $48,000, 2026 LDV D90 offers more tech and more space for significantly less than its Japanese rivals. Is it enough to win you over? Let's find out as we hit the dunes.